Welcome back programmers. Spidy is back with one another video. In previous video we have seen about some SageMaker tutorial. Now today's video's topic is a little bit different. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, we are going to deploy a WhatsApp chatbot, and we can do a live chat with this chatbot through your WhatsApp only. Even you can share this WhatsApp number with your friends, so your friends also can utilize this chatbot. Yes, now this chatbot is powered by a ChatGPT, and we are going to create a ChatGPT chatbot that you can use in WhatsApp. So at the end I will show you the live demo as well, and here I'm going to show the procedure and I'm going to implement the similar as well. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here are the flows, like steps that I have mentioned. So this is this GitHub repository link I will provide into the description. So before starting all of this, we need to have the few accounts. So I'm going to clear the flow. So first of all, what we need to have, so first of all we need to have the account into the OpenAI, Twilio, AWS, and then Ngrok. So let me go to console. So I'm just closing unnecessary tab. So you can create an account in a Twilio. So if you don't know what is a Twilio, so Twilio will provide as a WhatsApp sandbox. So all other things will be provided by this Twilio only, right? So what we need to do, you need to have the create account into this Twilio. You need to go into this console.twilio.com, then messaging, and then send a WhatsApp message. So this is this is what you need to have. Okay, so other steps, so as of now you should have the account only, right? Now same thing, now we need to have the account for AWS as well. So I'm not showing you how to create AWS account. The third thing is we need to have the account in Ngrok. Yes, so what you need to go, just go to dashboard.ngrok.com and create a free account. So this will not cost you any money, it will not require any credit card as well. You need to have those accounts, and at the last you need to have the ChatGPT account as well, because we are going to use the API. So this is the API for ChatGPT that I'm going to use. So you should have the account, developer account in platform.openai.com. Yes, if you don't know, OpenAI is a maintainer of ChatGPT, so you should have the API key for it. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, so I'm done. Means the first step is very initial. I hope that you have all those accounts, and then you can follow me, right? So first step is done. Now you need to follow the second step. In second step we need to go to a Twilio console. So let me go to the Twilio console, and you need to register your WhatsApp number here. So what here you can do is just scan this QR code, or you can directly WhatsApp message on this number. Obviously number will be different for your, but you can directly message on this WhatsApp number and use this code. Then you need to write this code like join, continue, rather. So obviously in your case code and WhatsApp number will be different. So after that it will register your mobile number as a WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp sandbox. So this is the second procedure. After doing this, I'm not obviously showing you this procedure. This is very simple. You can follow this. Now the third step is very important. Create a Flask script. So we are creating a ChatGPT API. So that API will get the response, get the request from the user. Means user will send a question to that our API, and API will answer. So this is a simple code from Flask. Import whatever necessary requirements. Two libraries are new, which is OpenAI and Twilio. So here my API key is obviously exposed, as this is not a good practice, but don't worry, I will delete this API key. But you should not write this. You should write in environment variable like import OS, and then os dot environment dot kit. So I'm going to write this my key into the environment variable, right? Now generate answer. So this we need to create a one function in which we need to have some model engine. So this code is totally taken from the documentation prompt. So it will be like tuple question and answer. Now you using OpenAI completion dot create. So this is the method that will give you the response, means answer based on your question. So we need to mention engine, prompt, maximum token number n is equal to 1, stop none, temperature 0.7. so it is just like you can consider accuracy parameters, accuracy metrics. So this is nothing, you just need to follow this. I have taken from the documentation. Then you will get answer answer is equal to response, so it will return the response. Response.choice is 0, and then text.strip, so whatever unnecessary white spaces will be removed, so it will give the answer, right? But make sure that you should have the API key provided by the OpenAI. Now app.route, my API will run on this ChatGPT. Methods is available post incoming question, so request.values.get body. So when user is sending a post method, so it will take the body and it will get the whatever questions that I have written. Okay, so I'm just printing the incoming question. If I want to track whatever the logs, means I can track from my logs. Okay, now answer is equal to generate answer, and that here I need to provide incoming question. So incoming question will be directly go here, and then bot response. So this is something related to the Twilio. So Twilio will have this messaging response. So it will automatically initialize a messaging engine. Then bot response dot message. So here it will like initialize the message, and then message dot body. So this will send a response to user. So your WhatsApp chatbot will respond with this line only. And obviously we should have the return of our messaging response, because if we are not going to returning the message response, then it will not return the reply. It will not give a reply in your WhatsApp. So this is very important line, return string bot response, and our API is done. It is very simple step. Now we need to have this because we are running into the EC2. Why? The reason of running into the EC2 is I need to have 24/7. I can do the similar in local as well, but obviously that doesn't make any sense, because local, if I'm going to shut down my system, then obviously it will turn off. So app.run host is equal to 000, debug should be false, and port should be 5000 as Flask app run on the. So these are the important configuration. I'm just checking. You just need to check your application is running or not. So yes, it is running. So I'm now going to make it a stop. Now we need to create a requirements.txt, Flask, OpenAI, Twilio, Ngrok. So for Ngrok in Python we have the Ngrok. So these all are the requirements. Yes. Now get back to our steps. So our third step is done. Now we are going to launch the EC2. Let me go to the console. So I'm in AWS console. I hope that you guys have the AWS account. I'm going to instances, launch instance, chatbot. I'm just giving name, chatbot EC2. Done. I like to have the flavor of Ubuntu 20.04. Yes, I'm more familiar with Ubuntu rather than Amazon Linux. Instant type, I'm choosing the free tier T2 micro. Key pair, let me check what key pair I have actually. Yeah, Kushal EC2 PM I already have, so I'm not going to create a new one. Yeah, Kushal EC2 I'm selecting. Other configuration you don't need to check. It should be auto assign public IP enable. Yes, this is the first configuration that you need to check, otherwise it is fine. Now click on this allow HTTP and HTTPS, right? So this is basic configuration that you need to do. Storage you don't need to tick anything, and this is just a basic configuration and you are done. So we are good to go. Launch instance. I'm just pausing for a while. I believe that my EC2 instance is running. So now click on EC2 instance, click on connect, go to the SSH client, open terminal where your application key is there. So just paste this command. So what it will do, it will give the necessary permission for key, then follow this command to connect with your EC2. Just make it a paste. It is asking me to connect, to write yes here. Yes, now I'm connected to my EC2. I'm just making it zoom so you guys can see in more detailed way. Yes, I hope now this is visible for you. So before doing anything, just make sure you are as a super user. I'm connected to my EC2. Yes, now you should first update your all the EC2 packages. So write apt update. Yes, it is done. Now we need to check what version of Python 3 we are having. Yes, we have 3.8, so we don't need to install Python, but I think we need to have the pip because pip is not here. So what we need to do, apt install python 3 dash pip. Yes, I need to have the pip, so it will take a few minutes to install. Yes, my pip is installed. Now I need to have all the requirements, so I'm just creating a requirements.txt here. So I'm just opening nano. Requirement.txt is here. I'm copying all this from here to here. Yes, then python 3 dash m pip install dash r requirements dot txt and wait for the installation. It will install all the necessary packages. Then what you need to do, you need to write only ngrok, so it will download the ngrok packages. Yes, I have downloaded ngrok. Now you need to set up your API key of ngrok here. So what you can do, you need to go to your console of this ngrok dashboard. Okay, wait, let me check where is authentication. So this is my auth token, so just copy this and go back to your EC2, and then once again write ngrok auth token and paste whatever auth token you have. Yes, now my auth token is configured. Now I should have the API key of OpenAI as well, so which should be set as an environment variable. So first the name should be OpenAI API key, so just we are setting environment variable, paste OpenAI key, then write print env. So you can see, check your OpenAI API key is here. Yeah, so our almost all task is done. Now we need to have our Flask script that should be here. So create a Flask script which names bot app.py. Then just copy whole this code, Control C, and paste here. Done. Run this code, python 3 bot app.py. Yes, it is running, but how to check? Go to your EC2 console, go back to your public IP, but before that you need to have the security groups additional that you need to set up your port. So in security groups, go to inbound rules, edit inbound rules. We need to have the port information, otherwise your application will not run. Select custom TCP, write 5000 because our application run on a 5000. Select anywhere IPv4, save rule. Now go to back your instance, select on public IPv4, write 5000. Yes, you can see not found because our application is running on ChatGPT path, and now you can see method not allowed. Okay, so our task is done here. So means our application is running. Okay, you can see all the visit. Now stop this running here. Now open the new terminal, and again you need to connect with your EC2 instance because we need to have the parallel to terminal running. Paste. Yes, I am connected to my EC2, so make sudo su. Okay, I'm just double zoom it so you guys can see it. Yes, now I have two terminals. The first terminal will be for Flask App, second terminal will be for my ngrok. Now what I need to write here, once again I am running my Flask script, python 3 bot app.py. Yes, my Flask app is running. Now open the second terminal. Let's check Ngrok is here. Yes, obviously we have installed. So write Ngrok HTTP 5000 because my application is running on 5000. So now you can see I got some URLs here. So copy this link, second link, copy the HTTPS link here, paste, and if you are registered with Ngrok, then it will show something like this. Otherwise it will show the error because you are not registered or login with Ngrok. Write the ChatGPT here because our application is running, and you can see your output of your EC2 URL and your this Ngrok URL should be same. You can see both side it is showing the method not allowed. So now copy this this URL of Ngrok. Then what you can do, come to your console of your Twilio, go to your sandbox setting. So if you don't know where to go, for in left side you need to go into the messaging, send a WhatsApp message, in sandbox setting, copy and paste the URL that what you have copied and just make it a save. So it will take a time to, I think, 10 to 15 seconds, and now our application means our chatbot is running. So let me connect with my mobile. Okay, I'm just showing you. Now what you need to do, now go to your WhatsApp and just ping that number, that WhatsApp chatbot number, and now your ChatGPT will be served here. Okay, just I'm connecting with my visor and I'm showing you. Just give me a minute. I have connected my phone with visor. Okay, where that screen. Okay, give me a minute. Yes, here it is. So now you can see this is my WhatsApp chatbot, and I'm just pinging a hi. Okay, so you got a response as a here hello. Now you can see every time if you going back to your console of the Flask application, it will show the message. Okay, once again I'm back to wrong screen. Yeah, now I'm going to write one message which is what's the capital of Gujarat, and you will see the same message here in Flask, and you will get a response like this: the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Now I'm typing another message: explain me AWS EC2, because ChatGPT can give whatever question answer. And see, now our API is working fine, and this is the response that I got. It is a very huge response. Even I can write Python script for connect Redshift using bot03. Yes, I got a whole script here, and now my ChatGPT is working fine in my WhatsApp. Yeah, so I hope this is done, but again there is one improvement that we can do here. So now if I'm going to close this terminal, so my chatbot will be stopped, right? So if I'm going to close this terminal, this will not work. So what I need to have, because I need to have my chatbot running continuous 24/7. So what I need to do, write a one command which is a nohup and then Python 3 bot, and after the nohup again run the similar command. Yes, now my application is running. Again here you need to do similar thing. In second time, nohup Ngrok HTTP 5000. Okay, now it's running. But again your mind in one question will have, how to check the URL, because if you are previously you were writing Ngrok command here and it was returning the URL. Now how to get that URL and update into the our console, because see, every time you will get a different URL. Now this URL is old and I have run the Ngrok command second time. So what you need to do, how to get those URL? So go to your Ngrok console, click on Cloud Edge and click on endpoints. So this is your new updated URL. So what you need to do, copy the HTTPS URL, just open into the new tab, write ChatGPT, click on visit site. Yes, so now my application is running. Now go to your console of this, update the URL, save. It will take a time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm directly closing this terminal. Just ignore this error. Okay, so now I don't have any procedure is running, and now I'm going to check on my mobile like my application is running or not. So yes, you can see I have written the hello again. Now I'm just making some like write Python script for connect to SQL. Okay, done, and I should get a response. Yes, I got a huge response. Okay, I didn't get the script because I think my question was incomplete. Let me check for other question. Give me a distance of Ahmedabad to Baroda. Yes, it is right answer. It is approximate 100 kilometer near. So now my chatbot is running 24/7. Now if you want to stop this, like you are done with your task, how to stop it? Go to your where your key is there, open in terminal or connect with your EC2 once again, paste this sudo su. Once again I'm connected to my EC2. Now you need to find the process, because your this two tasks, the first one is Ngrok, second is your Flask application running as a services. So you need to write ps tos dash ef, so it will return all the services. So now you need to find where you are actually, this is difficult task actually, because you need to find your both two services from here, and then you need to write a kill command, and you need to take this PID, then you can kill this procedure. Okay, it's a bit difficult for me. Yes, I got one. Yeah, I got two. The first is 7269. You can see the first one is a Boto 3 app, second is Ngrok 5000. I need to kill these two services. So first I'm writing kill 7269, then 7271. My both processes are killed. Now I'm going back to my chatbot, and you can see now it is offline, it's not working. Hi, I'm just writing, but it's not generating any responses. So I hope guys you cleared with this tutorial. It is I tried to explain in very short time. And now after done your experiment, if you want to share this with your friends, so what you need to do, go to your sandbox, send this WhatsApp number with your friends, and first time you need to give this whatever ID, you need to register every number. Like if you are sharing with your friends, so share these two things. The first is number and second is this string. Copy this string and send this as a message, then it will register as a WhatsApp, then you and all of your friends can use this chatbot. So I hope I am done with explanation. And now don't forget to after your experiments, don't forget to terminate your EC2 instances. So I'm just going to terminate this chatbot EC2. Okay, so I hope I am clear. And the API key, don't share it with publicly, this is not a good practice. Okay guys, see you in the next one. And if you like this video, and don't forget to like this video and share with your other friends, and don't forget to subscribe Machine Learning Hub YouTube channel. So guys, see you into the next one. Until that, keep learning and be safe. So guys, thank you for the listening me.